This is dill and tomato prawn curry. Succulent prawns coated in a crisp herbaceous gravy with a bit of heat and a hint of tang. It's truly a burst of sunshine. Let's start by soaking a couple of dried red chillies in some warm water. This softens them and makes the heat more mellow. Next, we need some shallots and garlic peeled, an inch of ginger too, and a few coriander stalks. We also need about 4 to 5 tomatoes pureed. So let's get those into a mixer and blend them smooth. Now let's move on to the spice paste. Toast a teaspoon each of coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and peppercorns until they start to crackle and turn aromatic. Let them cool slightly, then add them to a mixer. To this, add the peeled shallots, garlic, ginger, 1 green chilli, the coriander stalks, the soaked red chilies, and about a teaspoon of lime zest. Grind everything with a little water into a coarse paste. Next, slice a few more shallots and a couple of garlic cloves. We'll also need a handful of dill leaves, finely chopped. This curry pairs beautifully with a simple coconut rice, so let's get that started. Use a fragrant variety of basmati or jeeraga samba. For 1 portion of rice, add 1 portion of coconut milk and half a portion of water. Season with salt and add a bay leaf. I'm going to pressure cook this for about 2 whistles. Now back to the curry. Heat a tablespoon of coconut oil in a pan. Add the chopped garlic and shallots. Saute until they lose their raw flavor. Then add the ground paste and let it cook for about a minute. Next, the tomato puree. Add salt, a tiny bit of jaggery, or sugar is fine too. Let it cook until it turns fragrant and thickens to your desired consistency. Now comes the star of the dish, the prawns. Add them gently and turn them until well coated. I'm using white prawns and they don't need more than 3 minutes to cook. Overcooking will make them rubbery and worse, take away their delicate flavor. Finally, add the dill and give it a gentle stir. Switch off the heat and cover. Delicious, refreshing and aromatic. This dill and tomato prawn curry paired with warm coconut rice is just perfect. Do give it a try and see for yourself. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more. Until then, take care and ta-ta.